Hey everybody, we're back for the next episode on spraying the body. We are going to put on the last coat of the Tamaya Lavender TS37, and we've got the color all blended in. It actually looks a lot better than when I first sprayed it there. I thought I had some more spots I had to blend in, but it's all even. So we're going to go in and do the finish coat on it, and we'll get the booth kicked on here, and as the last two videos, get to spraying. And of course, I'm going to do a test over here just to make sure the can's not spitting and the nozzle spraying the way that it should. And we're going to basically do the same process. We're going to come in a little bit closer this time and do the final coats. We're slowing down our pass a little bit so that we can gloss the paint up. And come across the top. And you can really start to see the gloss come up on this paint. That's what I like about the Tamaya out of the can. Very nice product. Sprays very nice, goes on glossy. We will be doing a clear coat over top of all this once we do our wood graining. But as far as the spraying process through the can, we're going to hit a little bit more down on the very bottom edge of the body here. We are finished. That is done. And I used about a half a can of paint on that, which is not too awful bad. Some colors you use a little bit more to get them to cover, but this color is non-metallic and covers very nicely. So real happy with the finish on it. We'll lift it up out of the booth here and see if we can get it a little bit closer. We'll spin it around. Hopefully it's in the camera view. I can't see the monitor when I'm over here at the spray booth area, but that's what we look like. Looks pretty good. And like I say, we will do a clear coat on this. We'll go back in and use the 3000 grit sanding sponge and make sure we don't have any, dust or anything in the finish after we get or right before we start doing the wood graining. We'll get all that sanded down. It'll be kind of a dull finish then. We'll do the wood graining on it, and then we're going to go in and do a final coat of TS13 clear on it from Tamaya. So there we go. That's all we've got for now. I want to thank everybody for watching, and as always, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.